When it comes to keeping your home or office clean, a professional commercial and residential cleaning service can make all the difference. Professional cleaning services offer a variety of services that are tailored to meet the needs of your specific space. From deep cleaning to routine maintenance, professional cleaners can provide the highest quality of service and leave your space looking and feeling refreshed. Professional cleaners have the training and expertise to use the best cleaning products and techniques to ensure that your space is clean and sanitary. Additionally, they can help you save time and money by taking care of the cleaning tasks that you don't have the time or energy to do yourself. By investing in a professional commercial and residential cleaning service, you can ensure that your space is always looking its best. Professional commercial and residential cleaning is essential to maintain a healthy and hygienic environment. This is especially important in businesses and homes where there are a lot of people present and a lot of activities taking place. Professional cleaning services can help to keep the environment free from dirt, dust, and other contaminants that can cause health problems. Professional cleaning services also provide a higher level of cleanliness than regular household cleaning, as they use specialized tools and techniques to ensure that all areas of the building are thoroughly and effectively cleaned. Commercial and residential cleaning are services used to maintain the cleanliness of homes and offices. Commercial cleaning is usually used to refer to cleaning services that are provided to businesses small or large. Residential cleaning, on the other hand, is generally used to refer to services provided to individuals. Now, both types of cleaning services involve the use of professional equipment and techniques to provide a safe and hygienic environment. Having a professional cleaning service can bring a variety of benefits to both commercial and residential properties. Professional cleaners are specially trained to provide efficient and effective cleaning services, allowing them to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Hiring a professional cleaning service is often more cost-effective than attempting to clean a property yourself. Time savings are one of the most important benefits of hiring a professional commercial and residential cleaning service. With professional cleaners, you don't have to worry about having to clean up the mess yourself. Professional cleaners can take care of all the cleaning tasks quickly and efficiently, saving you both time and energy. Depending on the type of job, the cost of professional cleaning can vary. Commercial spaces typically require more frequent cleaning and require more specialized products and services than residential spaces, so the cost may be higher. Residential spaces typically require less frequent deep cleaning and may not require as many specialized products and services, so the cost will be lower. However, both commercial and residential spaces can benefit from the services of a professional cleaner. Affordable cleaning services provide an affordable solution to ensure that your space is kept clean and tidy at all times. They can provide deep cleaning services, such as carpet and tile cleaning, as well as general cleaning services, such as dusting and vacuuming. Not only can they help to improve the appearance of the space, but they can also help to reduce allergens and bacteria that can build up over time. For businesses, professional cleaning services can improve safety and hygiene standards, helping to reduce the risk of accidents or contamination. Professional cleaners can also provide a more consistent and thorough clean, as well as reducing the amount of time and resources spent on cleaning. Professional cleaning also ensures that the premises look presentable and inviting to customers, which can help to make a good first impression. We can supply you with all the info you need to make an informed decision and get your home or business cleaned. Call us now